A listening ear, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used English phrase, a listening ear. This phrase is not just about hearing, but about understanding, empathy, and support. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A listening ear refers to someone who is willing to listen and understand what another person is saying. It's not just about the physical act of hearing, but about being attentive, empathetic, and supportive. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone needs to talk about their problems, feelings, or thoughts, and seeks someone who will truly listen and understand them. In personal relationships, after a tough day at work, I just need a listening ear to vent. Thank you for being a listening ear during my difficult times. In professional settings, our team leader has a listening ear, which makes us feel valued. Good managers should offer a listening ear to their employees' concerns. In supportive roles, as a counselor, providing a listening ear is essential for helping others. Volunteers at the Help Center are trained to be a listening ear to those in need. Being a listening ear is a valuable skill in both personal and professional relationships. It builds trust, fosters understanding, and can even be therapeutic for the person speaking. By being a good listener, you can help others feel heard and supported, which is crucial in any kind of relationship. 1. Pay full attention. Focus completely on the speaker. 2. Show empathy. Understand and share the feelings of the speaker. 3. Avoid interrupting. Let them express themselves fully. 4. Ask questions. Show your interest and clarify points. 5. Provide feedback. Reflect on what you've heard to show understanding. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning and usage of a listening ear. Remember, being a good listener is not just about hearing words. It's about understanding and empathizing with others. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing your English and stay tuned for more learning content.